Hey, Lawsllm from Queen Mary University of London will definitely help you in learning professional skills and personal development. Let me share some interesting insights. You will be taught by a mixture of formal lectures and a small group seminars. The seminars are designed to generate informed discussion around set topics and may involve student presentations and group exercises as well as open discussion. You will have a team of advisors to support you, including the LLM and Research Directors, your dissertation supervisor and tutors, and your module convenors. You can access Queen Mary's excellent law library and European Documentation Center, as well as their excellent facilities. You will be assessed by a mixture of formal examinations and coursework in your taught modules. You will undertake more self-directed work in completing your dissertation. To know more about the Queen Mary University of London or to speak to the university delegate for one-on-one discussion, log on to speaktouniversity.com. Follow the link in the description.